I'll guide you through how to block adult videos on YouTube the easy way without inappropriate content appearing on your or a child's device. If you're looking to create a safer browsing experience or you want to set up parental controls on YouTube and you want to block adult videos, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to understand that YouTube's restricted mode is an automated filter, and while it's highly effective, it's not 100% perfect. For the most robust solution for a child's account, Google's Family Link is the recommended tool. This video will show you the fastest way to enable restricted mode and how to lock it so it can't be turned off without a password. Before we see how it's done on the mobile app, let's examine how to enable restricted mode on desktop. Go to youtube.com and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down the menu and click on Restricted Mode Off. A box will pop up. Toggle Activate Restricted Mode to the On position. On the YouTube mobile app, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings, then go to General. Find Restricted Mode and toggle it on. This will filter out potentially mature content from search results and suggestions, whether on a laptop or the mobile app. To prevent others from simply turning off the setting, follow the steps above to turn on restricted mode. Then, in the same menu, click Lock Restricted Mode on this browser. You'll be prompted to log into your Google account again to confirm. This locks the setting with your password. By this, you have successfully learned how to block adult videos on YouTube. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.